I have already seen it. Really? When? Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. I have already done it, plus a quiz, so be sure to stick around for that quiz. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, great. Let's do it. Why isn't Kim going to go bowling tonight? She has already gone bowling this week. Really? When? She went bowling yesterday. Why isn't Vicky going to see a movie this evening? She has already seen a movie this week. Really? When? She saw a movie 2 days ago. Why aren't Mr. and Mrs. Smith going to eat at a restaurant tonight? They have already eaten at a restaurant this month. Really? When? They ate at a restaurant last week. Why isn't Roy going to get a haircut today? He has already gotten a haircut this week. Really? When? He got a haircut on Wednesday. Why aren't you going to give blood today? I have already given blood this week. Really? When? I gave blood 3 days ago. Why isn't Shirley going to take her children to the zoo this afternoon? She has already taken her children to the zoo this year. Really? When? She took them in May. Why isn't Fred going to wear his red tie today? He has already worn his red tie this week. Really? When? He wore it on Monday. Why isn't Jim going to write to his best friend today? He has already written to his best friend this week. Really? When? He wrote to him last Sunday. What do you think? When did Kim go bowling? She went bowling yesterday. When did Vicky see a movie? She saw a movie 2 days ago. When did Mr. and Mrs. Smith eat at a restaurant? They ate at a restaurant last week. When did Roy get a haircut? He got a haircut on Wednesday. When did you give blood? I gave blood 3 days ago. When did Shirley take her children to the zoo? She took them in May. When did Fred wear his red tie? He wore it on Monday. When did Jim write to his best friend? He wrote to him last Sunday. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. Also, I have a Patreon page, so please check that out. That's a great way to support me and the channel. Also, I have a website, markkulek.com, where you can download worksheets and flashcards. Okay, I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.